I bet like a 13-pound car flips it out.
Feel to drive a real car.
This ain't a real car.
Hon hon.
This ain't, the F-body's a real car.
Yes, it is.
What? F-body?
That's a real car.
Absolutely.
This is a toy.
RC car.
This
This
coming
is
from a man who owns a Honda.
Hot Wheels.
What's that make your Honda?
That Honda's a race car.
All the Hondas in
car.
No, Honda's a go-kart.
What's going on up here? Oh, that was a real bad misfire to run before. Got you. Oh, that's the previous run. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Well, that timing didn't do much for us.
Push, push, push.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Oh yeah, that's a rod. I get hit in the foot with part of it. Back there. Andrew, it's okay to cry.
Wow, dude, that shattered that one top. We didn't get it too messy. I got it off there quick.
That's a $300
Who was
fine.
right? I said it was going through the oil.
$300 fine.
Let's get it and get to the magnet. Over the night.
Keep it out of the rollers, man. Keep it out of the rollers. Here. Here's a rag.
The rod bolts are the other.
Yeah.
You could probably run the stock rods longer. Yeah.
Well, it had a piston come apart.
Yeah, but I don't know if it did that before it snapped the rod bolts or not, because that's usually the weak link on. Hey, there's the fucking wrist pin.
Oh, Jesus.
Hey, that's cool. You can reuse that.
We didn't get anything underneath it.
12/8.
It went lean. I wonder if we lost fuel pressure.
I bet we lost fuel pressure. Do we?
Right here. It was perfect.
It's
right up until here.
Why would we lose fuel pressure though?
It went all the way to 12.
Pipe in a cripe,
what?
bong in a blint, lock jock in a cigarette, Lugenheimen.